as promised, I will be unboxing what's inside my bag for the 2 nights, 3 days trip. So I wanted, oh my guys, oh my. Okay. So I wanted to share with you guys what's inside this bag for this trip, for you to have ideas on what to bring during a trip. So this is very basic. So, anyway, I want to show you guys what's inside this bag. So ready? Go. Okay, first on this main compartments are my dresses. The clothes I would be wearing for the entire trip, whatever. So, ano siya tanan, no? So, these are all my clothes. Okay, so first, on the main compartment, ito yun, no? So, I have pair of this one for vlogging, for selfie thing. So, this one. Yeah, and then shorts, of course, my favorite outfit. Short and ano bang pair niya? Mix and match na lang po kayo. So this is resort and a hotel. So you also need to realize the clothes you will be wearing. So kailangan na magkuhan ka diri mo. So supposed to be a hotel resort. So tapos na lahat ng mga hotel. Okay. So next, also do not forget to bring this one, mask. So I got 3 pairs of this one. And then dress. Also have dress with me. If I could wear this. And then my swimwear. If in case the Madam Auring is out. Actually, this trip is very nice. Not too hot because of the weather condition. But so far, as I came here, nindot ra jud akong trip. So, dili siya init. And then, karon init na siya. So, for this one, I hope the weather is still okay on the 3rd day of my stay because I will be climbing somewhere. So, doing that one. And then, for this one, and this is a waka waka. This one. So, for those who knew this attire, comment down. What is this? This is like a waka waka. Okay. And then this one. And then what is this? Okay. This one, 2. And then my cover ups. So you also needed to realize the number of stays you will be you will have your vacation or your trip, because that's at least bring 2 extras if in case, no? So that's it. And then inside this pockets, or this one is this is for my vlogging if you were traveling for a special vlog. And then cotton balls and cotton buds. My perfume, and then my undies, and then for your, if you brought with your special soap and shampoos, you put a container like this that it won't spill out, won't leak out, whatever you call that one. And pads. then this is where I put my chargers. So important. Please do not forget this one. And then also, if you were bringing with you your skincare, facial care, you put it on a Ziploc plastic for it not to throw out everywhere on your bag. So I kind of arrange things like this, and then also I have with me my powder and my eyebrow like that, my undies, and also my lippy. So this one still look fresh and beautiful. So what else? IDs. So I bought IDs with me for identification, of course, because during your upon entry and then upon check-in on the reception area, they will look for your IDs. So make sure that it's you, the same person who came, it's the same person who came in the hotel. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for being with me on my what's inside my bag. Bye bye.